Video editing is the hardest part of creating YouTube video and takes the most time, especially if you're a beginner, but it's also the most important part. If you can't seamlessly weave your shots together and add important elements that keep your viewers watching, your video will seem unpolished and disengage your viewers. In this beginner's guide, you'll learn the steps to easily edit YouTube videos with simple online video editing software, even if you've never edited videos before. Step 1. Create a folder on your computer for all your video files. I name my file Castle Trail because that's a trail where I shot all the video clips while bicycling. If I click on the folder, you'll see all the video clips that I've dragged and dropped into the folder. You can also rename each video file to identify the scene where you shot the video. Step 2. Sign up for the free online video editor at InVideo.io. I'll place a link to it in the description below this video. Use a promo code HD25 to get 25% discount. It comes packed with 5,000 customizable templates, a stock video library with more than 10 million assets like Shutterstock and iStock, music library, filters, transitions, and no download is required. You also get 24/7 live chat support and a video community of 20,000 marketing experts and creators to help you out. Step 3. Make your video. After you've logged into your account, you can select from 5,000 pre-made templates, or you can choose a blank canvas. So I'm going to choose a blank canvas. Select wide or 16:9, then click make a video. On the left here you have templates, uploads. You can select stock video footage. You can select stock images, stock music, text, add your logo here. You can select different colors. You can add stickers, you can add overlays, shapes, masks, add a collage. Step 4. Upload your media. Click upload media. Go to the folder containing your video clips. Select all your video clips, click open. All your video clips will now appear in the left column. Step 5. Add and trim video clips on the timeline. I'm going to select this video clip, click on the clip. Now I can trim my video file. First I want to mute the background sound, so I'm going to click the bell icon to mute it. Then I'm going to select which part of my video clip that I want to add to the timeline. Click the play button, grab the playhead at the end, then move it to where you want to trim the video. Click play again. If you want to trim the end, just move the playhead to the end. Then just drag the playhead to where you want to trim it. If you want to play the trim section only, just click play. And now you can see the clip that you've trimmed. To add the video to the timeline, click add. If you want to get rid of the logo, just click the X sign. Remove from all scenes, so just click from all scenes. Now if you want to see the clip on the timeline, you can just adjust this to see where the clip is. Then you can play it. If you want to mute the background sound, just right click on it and click mute. If I right click my mouse, I can delete the video clip, I can duplicate it, rename it, move it to the front, move it to the back, ripple delete, unmute the sound, or split it. So if I click split, then I've split it into two different sections. If I want to undo that edit, just click the arrow that says undo. I can also crop it, fit type, fit with blur, fit with transparent, crop to screen, stretch to screen, adjust the colors, trim it again if I wish. I can also speed it up in different speeds. I can loop it if I wish, flip it, so I can flip horizontal, I can flip vertical. Then I can also add effects. Left, center, right, top, middle, bottom, and I can also add animations, and here I can adjust the volume. If I want to add another video clip, just hover over the plus sign and click blank scene. If I want to get rid of this text, just click on it and click the trash icon that says delete. Now just drag and drop your video clip on the timeline. Click add. And you can move it to the next video clip. Then you can play it. If I want to mute the background, just right click your mouse, click mute. If you want to get rid of the logo, just click the X from all scenes. If I want to trim this video, just click on the video clip and click trim. I can trim it up to the playhead and click add to add it to the timeline. Step 6. Add transitions. This helps you make a smooth transition between video clips. To add a transition between the clips, just go to this icon, click on it, and now you see a bunch of different transitions that you can use. You've got slide left, fade, zoom in, wipe left, flip right, rotation right. I'm going to use fade. When we play the video, you can see how it fades in. Step 8. Add text. Perhaps you want to add a title or lower thirds to your video. Move the slider from timeline to scenes. So I've got my first scene here and I want to add a lower thirds to it. So click text. So I've got basic, artistic, media text boxes, classic. I'm going to click on context and move it down to the bottom. I can also enlarge the text by just grabbing the handles and then just moving it. I'm going to call this Michael Castle Trail. Enlarge it a little bit. Play the video. Step 9, add background music. I'm going to move the playhead to the beginning of my video. Click on music. I can select genre, mood, sound effects, or miscellaneous. Or I can search for a particular type of music. So I'm going to go for mood. I'm going to go for inspiring, beautiful place. Click the plus sign. Now I've got my music there, so I'm going to play it. If I want to add more assets to my video, I can select stock-free video footage, stock-free images, stock-free music, stickers, overlays, shapes, masks, and collages. If you want to add more video clips to your timeline that you've shot, just click on Uploads, then drag and drop any of your video clips onto the timeline. Step 10, export your video. After you've finished editing your video, just click Download, click Export. And now it's exporting my video. Now I can download the video, share the video on social media sites, or I could convert it to a square video or vertical video for like Instagram or Facebook. I'm going to click Download. Now if I look on the finished products, I can see that my video has finished rendering. So I can click Download, edit the version, or even collaborate. This is a great way to invite team members to add time-based comments to your video. I can copy the link or add team to collaborate, and I can tag colleagues using the @ and comment right here. Here's the edited video. Click the link in the description to begin editing videos for YouTube right away. No download is required. Use promo code HD25 to get a 25% discount. I highly recommend getting a business plan for $15 per month so there's no watermark on your videos. You get everything in the free plan, 10 iStock media per month, 1 million premium media, 60 video exports per month, and a mobile app. You can also add unlimited members to a single account. If you just want to take the software for a trial run, start with the free plan. You can also follow InVideo's official YouTube channel so you can start making videos with ease. I'll place a link to it in the description below this video. What if you want to convert any text to an engaging video? Watch this video to convert text to video in 3 easy steps using InVideo Video Editor.